Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, how to turn on your mobile hotspot on any Android device. Because let us be honest, nothing says tech genius like turning your phone into a Wi-Fi router. But before we start, here's what we will cover. Enabling the mobile hotspot, so you can be the hero of the Wi-Fi glass. Connecting another device, because what good is Wi-Fi if no one can use it? Turning off the hotspot, unless you enjoy surprise data overage. Let's dive in. Section 1. Enabling the mobile hotspot. Alright, let's get this Wi-Fi party started. 1. Open your settings and go to Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your phone model. 2. Look for mobile hotspot or just use the search bar, because who has time to scroll? 3. Tap mobile hotspot and turn it on. 4. You'll see your network name and password here. Take note of this. You will need them to connect other devices. Pro tip: think of this password as your secret handshake. It is what lets other devices join the party. And just like a good party, you might want to keep the guest list exclusive. No freeloaders. Section 2. Connecting other device. Now let's connect other device to your hotspot. 1. Open the Wi-Fi settings on the device you want to connect. 2. Look for your hotspot's network name. It should be something like Android AP1234 or whatever quirky name your phone decided to give it. 3. Tap the network, enter the password, and hit connect. Boom! Your device is now using your phone's internet connection. Welcome to the world of portable Wi-Fi. Pro tip: if your hotspot doesn't show up, try turning it off and back on. Because let's face it, sometimes technology just needs a good old-fashioned slap on the back to get going. Section 3. Turning off the hotspot. Once you're done, don't forget to turn off your hotspot. Unless, of course, you enjoy watching your data disappear faster than snacks at the party. Just go back to the mobile hotspot settings and toggle it off. Easy. And there you have it. Your mobile hotspot is ready to go. Whether you are connecting another phone, a laptop, or even a gaming console, because priorities, this simple trick can save the day. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Got questions or your own funny hotspot fails? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you into the next one. Stay connected and stay awesome. Bye for now.